नमस्कार दोस्तों, in the chain of most important questions for board examination, today I am bring you and most important questions for you. The purpose of this video to tell you about the necessary steps for the solution of questions. Now I will suggest you to see whole the video and keep in your mind and also note down the required steps for the solutions which are compulsory to write in the board examination copies. So let us start. Here is the first question for you. This is the most important question. Prove that under root 3 is an irrational number. So how can you prove the under root 3 is an irrational number? Here is the most important steps which you lapse in the writing of the answer of this question. So your marks will be deducted if you lapse these most important steps. So keep in mind which steps you will write in the proof of this question. So all the steps are compulsory to write the proof of this question. So here is the proof. Proof. Let under root 3 is a rational number. Okay dear, if under root 3 is a rational number, then by definition of rational number we can write it just like that. Under root 3 equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime number. Co-prime number means, dear, do you know? Co-prime numbers means a and b have no any other factor other than 1. Okay? So now after this step, what you will write here? You will write that a equal to under root 3b by cross multiplication. You can write here 1 and then you can write this is a equal to under root 3b. After this step, you will write on squaring both sides. We will get, that is a square equal to under root 3 b whole square. On simplifying this, we will get a square equal to root 3 whole square means 3. And b square means it is b square, same to same. Let us, this is the equation number first. Okay. Now from this equation, you can observe that 3 is the factor of b square. And 3b square, this is the value of a square. So finally you can write here 3 divides a square. 3 divides a square. How can you write? Because 3 is the factor of b square, and 3b square, this is the value of a square. It means 3 divides a square, and if 3 divides a square, then you can write that 3 divide only a. Okay, now we will write this is the equation number second. After that, what to do? This equation, you will take let that is a equal to 3c, and you can write here any other variable like that p, q, r, s, which you like, as you wish. We will take here c. Okay, so now putting this value in the equation number 1, so we will write from equation 1 we get, that is, dear, you will see this is the equation number 1. So a is 3c, so we will write here the value of a, that is 3c whole square, equal to 3b whole square. So on simplifying, we will get 3 square means 9, and c square means this is same to same c square, equal to 3b square. You will write just like that, same to same. Now we will see here 3 1 ja 3 and 3 3 ja 9. So we will write here just like that. B square equal to 3c square. Have you any doubt? Because here you can see that b only, b square. So we will write this b square just here and 3c square just into the right hand side for making the similarity. Equation number 1 इसी तरह का था, तो उसी सिमिलरिटी को ध्यान में रखते हुए हमने ये इक्वेशन भी लिख लिया. There is no any change. Okay. So after this step, you will once again write this is a equation number 3rd. And this equation 3rd you can conclude here, that is 3 is the factor of c square and 3c square, this is the value of b square. It means you will write here that 3 divides b square, and also you will write here 3 divide b also. Okay. So dear, finally you can write this equation number 3rd. इससे आप इक्वेशन नंबर 3rd लेंगे. यहाँ पे इक्वेशन की आपको कोई जरूरत नहीं है. You will not write here this equation number 3rd. This is the equation number 3rd. Okay. Now you can see in the equation number 1st. This is the equation, second. 3 divides a. 3 divides a. 3 divides a means that is 3 is the factor of a. You will write here 3 is the factor of a. And now equation number 3rd you will see here 3 divides b. This implies that 3 is the factor of b. 3 a का भी फैक्टर है और 3 b का भी फैक्टर है. तो हमें इक्वेशन नंबर सेकेंड और थर्ड से कंक्लूजन क्या मिला? फ्रॉम इक्वेशन थर्ड एंड सेकेंड, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन सेकेंड एंड थर्ड, we will get 3 is the common factor of A and B. अगर 3 डिवाइड्स ए एंड 3 डिवाइड्स बी, तो दोनों इक्वेशन से हमें एक कंक्लूजन मिला, और ये कंक्लूजन क्या मिला कि जो 3 है वो ए और बी का दोनों का कॉमन फैक्टर है. इफ दिस इज कॉमन फैक्टर, सो फाइनली वी कैन राइट दैट फ्रॉम सेकेंड एंड थर्ड वी हैव 3 is the common factor both A and B, but this is contradict the fact that A and B both have no common factors other than 1. यहां पे इक्वेशन नंबर सेकेंड और थर्ड से हमें ये मिला कि 3 दोनों का कॉमन फैक्टर है, और अगर ये कॉमन फैक्टर है, this is contradicts the fact that A and B both have no common factor other than 1. जबकि हम लोगों ने पहले ही कंसीडर किया हुआ था कि A और B को प्राइम नंबर हैं. दैट इज A and B आर को प्राइम. को प्राइम मीन्स उसका कोई भी फैक्टर नहीं है, लेकिन यहां 3 क्या हुआ? 3 is the common factor of A and B. So our supposition is wrong. And hence finally we can write that under root 3 is an irrational number. So dear, this is the proof of this question. Finally you can write hence proved. तो ये प्रूफ जो है ना, ये हर एक किसी इरेशनल नंबर के प्रूफ के लिए सेम ही रहेगा. यहां पे अंडर रूट 3 हमने लिया था. अगर आपसे पूछा जाएगा हाउ कैन यू प्रूव दैट अंडर रूट 5 इज एन इरेशनल नंबर, तो आप यहां पे सिर्फ क्या चेंज करेंगे? 3 की जगह सिर्फ 5 लिखना है, बाकी कुछ भी स्टेप्स चेंज नहीं होंगे, सेम स्टेप्स लिखना है. आप यहां से ही स्टार्ट करेंगे. ए स्क्वायर इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 5b, और इसके बाद स्क्वायरिंग, यहां पे 5 होगा, यहां भी 5 आएगा, यहां भी 5 हो जाएगा, जहां 3 था वहां 5 हो जाएगा. इसी तरह से आप अंडर रूट 7 इज एन इरेशनल नंबर, उसका भी प्रूव कर सकते हैं. बट कीप इन योर माइंड दैट दीज ऑल स्टेप्स आर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर इसमें से एक भी स्टेप्स आप लैप्स करेंगे तो आपका मार्क्स डिडक्ट होगा. सो कीप इन माइंड दैट all these steps you will write in the proof of this question, and hence this is also most important part of this proof. ये सारी चीजें भी आपको कंपल्सरी लिखना है. फ्रॉम सेकेंड एंड थर्ड भी है. 3 अगर है क्वेश्चन में तो 3 इज द कॉमन फैक्टर, 5 है तो 5 इज द कॉमन फैक्टर, 7 है तो 7 कॉमन फैक्टर. बट ये भी लाइन इंपॉर्टेंट है. बट दिस इज कंट्राडिक्ट द फैक्ट दैट A and B both have no common factors other than 1. That is A and B are co-prime, जो आपने मान रखा था. So our supposition is wrong. क्यों wrong है? क्योंकि A B का कोई फैक्टर नहीं था, लेकिन यहां पे फैक्टर आ चुका है, तो हमारा supposition wrong हो गया. Hence under root 3 is an irrational number. Thank you. Wish you all the best.